too often willful.
I know that these debates lead directly, in some cases, to a call for a fuller accounting, perhaps through an independent commission. Promise of the free market. We are also a people who believe from the time of our founding that we aspire to protect one another from harm and exploitation. Our task has always been to seek the right balance between.
In a nutshell, I think, and I believe, that the sweeping changes in this continent, in addition to waging a bet in or on the domestic markets and also on better income distribution policies, I think that the better performance of this continent will necessarily involve greater and fuller integration.
I expect to have a fuller presentation later in the week to give people some specifics about what I think we need to do. Second thing is, I want to let you know that over the next couple of weeks, there are going to obviously be a whole range of issues, immigration, economics, et cetera. We'll try to arrange a fuller press conference to address your questions. The reason I actually...
Did you decide, sir, that the simple declaration was something the American people could handle, but this nuanced answer you just gave now was something they couldn't handle, and you didn't trust the American people with a fuller truth?
No, I think, and as a consequence, you've helped not just Americans, but people around the world live longer, fuller lives,